Before sugar reaches the mill, it begins here, in fields of towering cane. Harvest starts with one question: is the cane ready to be cut? Each cut is timed. Each bundle is a promise of future sugar. Fresh cane is perishable. Every minute counts on the road to the mill. The mill waits at the end of the road, ready to transform cane into sugar. Every load is verified. Quality starts before the cane even enters the mill.
Unloading is a controlled chaos, the first step toward extraction.
The conveyor becomes the artery, moving raw cane into the heart of the mill. A steady stream of trucks keeps the mill fed. Every minute matters.
Precision starts here, from beginning. Each load is weighed, recorded, and verified.
Safety and timing are synchronized. The mill operates like clockwork. Dumping is controlled and fast. The mill never pauses. Shredding increases surface area, making juice extraction more efficient.
The hopper keeps the flow constant, preventing clogs and downtime.
Gravity and machinery work together to move cane without wasted energy. The mill receives cane in a continuous stream, in Raiden, ready for crushing. Inside the mill, crushing begins, and juice is liberated from the stalk.
Each roller stage extracts more juice, leaving behind dry fiber.
The leftover fiber, bagasse, becomes fuel or feed. Nothing is wasted. Raw juice is only the beginning step. It must be cleaned before it becomes sugar.
Every step is monitored. Modern mills rely on precision control.
Speed increase confirmed.
The mill now shifts from raw transport to chemical transformation. The yard is a controlled storm, a constant flow of raw cane. The bridge is a pipeline, connecting the yard to the mill's heart.
This is where raw cane becomes raw juice, a process of heat, pressure, and precision.
Steam powers the mill, but it also shapes the environment inside.
Behind every machine is a control system, ensuring balance and stability.
Safety isn't an afterthought. It's built into every step of production.
The mill's atmosphere is a blend of heat, dust, and constant motion. From the yard to the hall, the journey continues without interruption.
Raw cane arrives with natural impurities growth and must be cleaned before milling.
Leaves are separated first because they can contaminate the juice. Heavy impurities are removed by vibration, kulun, keeping the mill safe.
Washing removes soil because dirt reduces sugar yield.
Drying prevents water from diluting the juice later. Uniform size ensures even crushing and maximum extraction. Quality control starts early, before the cane ever reaches the rollers. Rejected cane is not wasted. It's rerouted for reprocessing.
Sneaks. Every cleaning step is logged. Traceability is essential.
Dust control keeps the air safe and the machinery clean.
Workers monitor the line from above, ensuring smooth flow. The last gate ensures only the best cane enters the mill. The roller mill squeezes the sweetness out of the cane, releasing raw juice. Bagasse is separated protein, a valuable byproduct used for fuel and animal feed. Raw juice is dark and full of impurities. It needs cleaning.
Lime is added to neutralize acids and help impurities settle.
Clarification separates solids from sugar-rich liquid, the next step toward purity. Skimming removes impurities that would otherwise affect sugar quality. Now the juice is clear, ready for concentration.
Multiple effect evaporation maximizes efficiency and reduce energy use.
The juice thickens into syrup, the final step before crystallization.
Samples are taken constantly to ensure consistent sugar quality.
Pumps move the syrup forward to Wenger. The process never stops. Crystallization begins here, where sugar transitions from liquid to solid. Inside the tank, controlled agitation encourages sugar crystals to form. Seed crystals guide growth A, shaping the sugar that will emerge. Now the syrup moves toward separation, where crystals and molasses split.
Safety locks engage. The centrifuge will spin at high speed.
Centrifugal force separates molasses from crystals gret, a key transformation. Molasses is removed, leaving behind raw sugar crystals. The mill now has raw sugar cline, but it still needs drying and refining. Drying removes moisture, preparing sugar for storage and packing. Screening sorts the crystals by size tone, ensuring uniform quality.
The sugar is now ready for storage, heirloom, but the journey isn't over yet.
Silos hold the product until the packing line is ready.
Automation keeps the mill synchronized, like a heartbeat controlling every process.
Programmable logic controls ensure precise timing and consistent output. Sensors adjust the flow, preventing overloads and stoppages. High-tech sensors catch contaminants before they reach the final product. Automatic rejection keeps quality high without slowing production. Automated bagging ensures consistent weight and sealing. Traceability is printed on every bag in Sugarcane, a record of its journey.
Every bag is weighed. Accuracy is non-negotiable.
Automation creates order, stacking bags with machine precision.
IoT monitoring helps operators react instantly to changes.
Safety systems are tested daily often because 1 second can matter.
Automation ensures the factory moves as one, from start to finish.
The final screening ensures the sugar is uniform and pure.
The final screening ensures the sugar is uniform and pure.
Dust control keeps the air safe and the product clean. The finished sugar is stored temporarily before packing begins.
Moisture is checked to prevent clumping and ensure shelf life.
Color indicates purity, and this batch meets the standard.
The final sugar flows toward packaging bread, the last stage before distribution.
Precision bagging guarantees consistent weight and quality.
Each bag is sealed tightly, locking in freshness. Labels are more than branding. They trace the sugar's origin. Wrapping secures the load, preventing damage during transport.
Final inspection ensures the product is safe for distribution. The finished product is ready to enter storage, but the journey isn't over yet.
The warehouse is the final holding area before distribution begins. Every batch is sampled, ensuring consistency and safety. Moisture levels are measured precisely prevent, because even a small change matters. Color and purity are tested, ensuring the sugar meets standards.
Brix levels confirm the sugar concentration and quality.
Microscopic inspection reveals the crystal's true structure.
Chemical tests confirm the sugar is free from unwanted impurities.
pH levels are checked. Stability is essential for storage and taste.
Data is logged digitally, Ryun, creating a full trace of every batch. Once approved, the batch is cleared to continue its journey. Only approved batches pass the gate, ensuring consumer safety.
Traceability is printed on every bag, from field to shelf.
The supervisor confirms the batch cannoned, the final authority in quality.
Cleanliness is part of quality. The lab stays spotless. A stamp of approval marks the final step in quality assurance.
The final product is arranged into pallets, ready for storage.
The warehouse stores finished sugar in controlled conditions.
Every pallet is tracked digitally, ensuring accurate inventory.
Dispatch is scheduled precisely to meet delivery timelines. Trucks arrive ready to carry the finished sugar to market. Sealed and secured, the sugar is ready for delivery. The warehouse is the final hub, where production meets distribution.
And this is how modern factories produce cane sugar from start to finish.
From field to factory, and from factory to the world.